I have found quite possibly the best untapped niche on YouTube so far, and the thing is, it's not even saturated. The niche I'm talking about is AI car mods. If you use Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you have probably seen a page that does these car mods using AI, and the results look quite convincing. Well, believe it or not, those videos are made with AI. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make videos like that and beat the competition by making them in the highest quality possible. Here you can see some numbers, so they are doing quite well. And nobody has tried it on YouTube so far, so I suggest you take this niche, you try it for at least a month, and then you come back with the results. I know that a lot of people are saying that AI content cannot be monetized on YouTube. This is plain wrong. AI content can be monetized and it has been monetized. And if you want an example, I can give you one right away. Here's Dr. Data. He took an already successful niche, spun it on his head and created a sub-niche. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. We are going to take the car building AI niche and we're going to create a sub-niche for it in the pop culture / video game scene. Now, YouTube hates one thing, and that one thing is content which has no effort put in it and basically low effort content. That's why in this video I'll show you how to make high quality videos with obvious care put into them and how you can do them as quickly as possible. This is exactly why I created this sub niche for the car building AI niche. So let me just give you an example on how this works. You feed the prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT then asks you how many videos you want to make, etc, etc. You then take that prompt, which is split into 3 different chunks. You take each one of the chunks, put it in your video generator of choice. And for this video, we're going to use our partner Higgsfield AI because it's basically the best AI video making software so far. And after that, you take those videos that have been generated by Higgsfield and then you edit them with some love, care, and respect. Alright, enough yapping. Let me just show you what we're actually going to work on today. First, you want to head into ChatGPT and paste the prompt provided in the description below. Pretend like you're reading it and press enter. Cool, now wait for it to load. Good job. Now press 1. Now instead of picking one of the cars from that list, you want to put in the name of the car from your sub-niche. I'll put in the car from Need for Speed Most Wanted, and the color scheme will be the exact same as the car from Need for Speed Most Wanted. So we're going to type in the name of the car and the color scheme. So BMW M3 from Need for Speed Most Wanted with the color scheme of a BMW M3 from Need for Speed Most Wanted. Now type in long format.
Bro, I can't believe 30 seconds is now considered long format.
Our brains, bro. Our brains are shrinking. Now you're going to be faced with 3 chunks for the generation. Now for the generation, head over to Higgsfield AI. Hover over video and click on Cinema Studio 4.0. Right there you're going to see the following functions. A switch between image and video, the resolution, the screen orientation, the video length, and the video amounts. Click on video, select Cinema Studio 4.0, select 1080p, 9:16 and 10 seconds, as we're gonna make a 30-second video with the sound on. This will make the video a bit more interactive and make it almost ASMR-ish. After pasting the first chunk, hit on generate, then wait. Now you can paste in the other 2 chunks. So ChatGPT, copy, Higgsfield, paste. ChatGPT, copy, Higgsfield, paste. Repeat this for step 3 as well. Now we should have 3 generated videos ready to edit. So let's head over to CapCut. Inside of CapCut, you're gonna import all of your material along with the logo of your game. Take your logo, make a duplicate of it, and apply the blur effect on it 100%. You can also use a freeze frame to make this a bit fancier. You can do as you please with that. Take your logo, make a duplicate of it, and apply the blur effect on the duplicate at 100%. You can tinker out with the colors. The bottom copy will act as a drop shadow for the logo. Now adjust the settings a little bit and you should have a nice soft shadow behind your logo. Make this a compound clip. Now you have your logo. This will stay throughout the whole video. The other logo will fade out 2 or 3 scenes in using a fade out animation. Now place the videos in line and cut any parts that you deem not worthy. In my case, I won't cut anything because they're good enough. Now for the most important part, the nostalgia bait. You will use the theme song of the video game you are making the AI car video of. For my video, I will use the theme song of Need for Speed Most Wanted. So place the song in and make sure to cut out any silent parts in the beginning or the end. Now if you've done everything correctly, play the video back and check for mistakes, and hopefully you have no mistakes. After my highly scientific and specialized research, I determined that the video is ready to post, so publishing time. Actually, you know what? Scratch that, I want to make another video because they are too satisfying. Now, just to show you how powerful this niche can be, I'll make another video but with another video game. This time I will pick Franklin from GTA 5 and his car. So, let's head over to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt. We're gonna pick one. We're gonna type Franklin's car from GTA 5 in white. We're now gonna type in long format, long format. And now we have our 3 chunks, so we're just gonna copy them. So chunk 1, head over to Higgsfield, Video, Cinema Studio. Paste in our first script. Now we're gonna go back to Higgsfield again, copy our second block, so second chunk. Copy it right here, remove the previous one, hit generate on the second one, and we're gonna do it again, but on the third one. Remove the other one, paste the new one. Now we are going to wait a bit for the generations to take place and basically make our videos. And now the videos have been generated, so let's import them into CapCut. So we're now in CapCut, we're gonna import them right here. Here's the song, here's the 3 videos, and the logo, which still happens to be placed in between the video. So we're gonna take the logo, we're gonna make it a bit smaller. We're gonna duplicate it. We're gonna add a blur effect. Take your time. We're gonna mess with the colors a little bit. And now it looks like he has a background blur. So we're gonna make it a compound clip. We're gonna place it in the beginning. And we're also gonna mess with the song a little bit. Now we are going to rearrange the clips because I'm pretty sure they are wrong. So the first one goes here, this one goes in the first one. So assembly, wheels, and then the car turns on. Cool, perfect. Now I'm gonna turn this into a freeze frame, delete the video part of it, so I can turn it into an image, and I can add a animation to it. So animation, out, fade out. Perfect. Let's see our final product. Perfect, our video looks perfect. We're gonna export it now. And now we can actually move on to publishing this time. Publishing. Now that we're done with the video, we can now move on to the publishing. For the publishing, aim to have a short title, post consistently, and please do not quit after 3 videos. Progress takes time, and especially with the new YouTube changes, you have to make progress consistently, otherwise you are going to be left behind. We're gonna keep things simple. Add a simple title, choose a frame for the thumbnail. You can add a description, it might help a bit, so just add it to make sure. The results may come in slow, but once they start, you will thank yourself for this. Real quick, I don't want to sell you a course or anything, but we do have a free Discord community in the description down below, where we help each other out, so feel free to check it out. Anyways, get up, start editing, and make some YouTube money. See you in the next one.